it went viral, sir. That song. Love it.
So I think we want to do something good. People are enjoying the nostalgia of the old songs and how we revived it. So we should keep on doing a few more of those types of songs.
Yeah, a few kids have been messaging. They've been asking me if we could do that song there, Sylvia's Mother.
So what key you want to do it in?
Let me check my list. F.
It's called Sylvia. While we waiting.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. May I speak with Sylvia, please? Oh, she's too busy to come onto the phone. Okay. Can you just tell her to listen to the radio? We're gonna sing her a song. Right. Okay. Goodbye. Okay, Simi. But before we sing, let's have a bowl. What do you reckon?
Yes, of course we have to do that. I hope it's not Sylvia from Waisari.
Wow. Our whole aim in reviving these old songs is to, at least every 2 weeks, we put out a new rendition of an old song. So those of you who are liking and listening to our music, if you have any favorites that you like to that you want us to redo, please drop us a line on SR Production or Simi's Facebook page, and we see if we can put that song together for you.
Yeah.
So it's for Simi and I, this is all a fun project, and we plan to do a few more of this. So we hope you enjoy this particular rendition of our song.
We do it on F, eh?
Too busy to come to the Sylvia's mother said, Sylvia's busy, too busy to come to the phone. Sylvia's mother said, Sylvia's trying to start a new life on her own. Sylvia's mother said, Sylvia's happy, so why don't you leave her alone? And the operator said 40 cents more for the next 3 minutes, please.
Mrs. Avery, I just got to talk to her. I'll only keep her a while. Please, Mrs. Avery, I just want to tell her goodbye.
Sylvia's mother said, Sylvia's packing, she gonna be leaving today. Sylvia's mother said, Sylvia's marrying a fella down Galveston way. Sylvia's mother said, Sylvia's happy, so why don't you leave her alone? And the operator said 40 cents more for the next 3 minutes, please. Mrs. Avery, I just gotta talk to her. I'll only keep her a while. Please, Mrs. Avery, I just wanna tell her goodbye.
Sylvia's mother said, Sylvia's hurrying, she's catching the 9 o'clock train. Sylvia's mother said, take your umbrella, 'cause Sylvia, it's starting to rain. And Sylvia's mother said, thank you for calling, and sir, won't you call back again?
minutes, please. Mrs. Avery, I just gotta talk to her. I'll only keep her a while. Please, Mrs. Avery, I just wanna tell her goodbye. Please, Mrs. Avery, I just wanna tell her goodbye. Sylvia's mother said, Sylvia's happy, so why don't you leave her alone? And the operator said 40 cents more for the next 3 minutes, please.
Mrs. Avery, I just got to talk to her. I'll